We introduce engineering ethics as a discipline. We discuss several key features of practice of engineering. We then use features to illustrate the role and importance of engineering ethics, and draw attention to several engineering codes of ethics and discusses the nature of these codes. These foundational ideas, coupled with engineering codes of ethics, can provide valuable ethical guidance. Taking responsibility for one's actions is an important part of being an engineer. In this video, let us review different types of responsibility and gives case examples from notable engineering failures. How responsible are you? For this example, you are an engineer at International Programmable Machine, also known as IPM, which makes computers. You are visiting a manufacturing plant of one of IPM suppliers, which sells parts to IPM and other companies. You notice that a non-IPM system is not properly grounded, and it could cause an electrical shock. What should you do? For what reason? According to Michael Louis, here is what he will do.
In this case, it appears that you might not have any responsibility at all. After all, you were not assigned the task of checking the safety of the electrical power system. In fact, you are not even employed by the manufacturer. So initially you might think, this problem is not my business. But in fact, it is. As a professional engineer, you are responsible for safety.
Engineers are morally responsible for safety. According to Code of Ethics, engineers shall hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public. The most important responsibility of an engineer is to ensure the safety of the public.
So we are here today to talk about the different kinds of personal responsibilities. So we will focus on 4 types of personal responsibilities, which are causal responsibility, role responsibility, legal responsibility, and moral responsibility. So I'm here with Jansen. So what do you think about these different kinds of personal responsibilities?
First, I think that personal responsibility is the idea that human beings chose, instigate, or otherwise caused their own actions. A corollary idea is that because we cause our actions, we can be held morally accountable or legally liable. So first, the causal responsibility. So causal responsibility can happen, for example, the operator keyboard entries caused the overdose. So, because of the keyboard, it has an overdose. So, our second type of responsibility is the role responsibility. Now, the software engineers developed and tested the control program but overlooked the error. So here, as you can see, the software engineers, they didn't care about the error. They just overpassed it. They didn't look through it. They didn't care. So the third kind of responsibility is the legal responsibility. The manufacturer was liable for the damages. Now lastly, for the moral responsibility, unlike others, can be shared. So that's all.